Good morning, guys. It's 9:16. Today is Monday morning, March 1st, and I'm actually working from home today. It's my first day at my new job. It's just like tons of orientations. Right now I'm like on a 10-minute break. I'm okay, thinking I can probably make something really quickly, but probably won't have enough time to eat it. We'll see. Let me show you guys my setup. So they sent me that computer, the headphones. I have to provide my own mouse, which I already have because I have a computer. So right now I'm just gonna stretch my legs, and that's about it. I'll be doing this for a while actually. It started at 8 and it's supposed to go to like 5 p.m. Then I actually have to go pick my car up because brought it to the dealership to get an inspection and a bunch of other stuff done to it. So yeah, kind of sucks because today's like really gloomy. Like, look out here, it's super gloomy and rainy. Kind of boring day. Just working from home, and hopefully once I come back I'll be finished quickly. Guys, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Saturday, March 6th, and it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I just got home. I had to like go get grocery shopping because I didn't have any groceries in here since I like haven't been home all week. Because last week I started my new job, so I was doing orientations all week, so I just haven't been home. So I went grocery shopping earlier. Something came in the mail, which is kind of exciting. It's not what you think it is. I'm gonna show y'all this big box. It's huge. So I'm gonna put this together and then I'll come back to you guys once it's finished and this apartment is like neat and organized again. So guys, hours later, I finished cleaning up this apartment. This 6:21. Here's what it looks like. 1 and 2. I still need to get knickknacks for this, but I like it so far. I really like it because it's like I have a fake bedroom, kind of. Not really, obviously. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna go out and get knickknacks for this. Like, I want to get some plants. That's why I have these like empty potters up here and stuff. And get plants. I was thinking maybe like ivy or something. I think that would look really pretty draped down from here. And then I still need to get like something for here. I'm thinking like a really cute, like a cute ugly chair, and this space down here too, which will probably be a little more difficult because I'm gonna get rid of this TV stand. Well, I'm actually giving it away because I need one that's bigger, and I had to end up canceling my order on those original couches that I wanted. There's just too much drama with that, so I'm actually looking for a new set of furniture now. So hopefully I'll have something within the next few weeks, but we'll see. So I'm gonna cook myself dinner and kind of like chill for the night because I'm low-key kind of sleepy. It's not even that late, but I'm just tired, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. This week like kicked my ass. So I kind of just want to like be lazy and stuff, but I still have to like wash clothes, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. Not just a huge load, just a little bit. Wash clothes, wash my bathroom rugs. Oh, and I need to actually get a rug for here too. I like a little cute circular rug down there. Would be so cute. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with this place. I don't want to clutter it too much because I already got a lot of furniture here, and this apartment is not that huge. But we'll see. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. I just finished making myself breakfast, so I'm going to eat, take a shower, and then we're gonna head out for the day. I want to go to Marshalls and Home Goods to see if I can find like some cute knickknacks for this shelf, and see if I can find a cute chair to go in this corner. It looks like in the morning. Looks good, right? I want to get plants, but plants are low-key expensive, so I'm gonna wait a little bit before I get a whole bunch. But I'm gonna see if I can find a chair for this area and maybe something from here today. Maybe I actually might hold off on that because I still don't even know what couches I'm gonna get now. So for breakfast, I just made grits, some turkey bacon, and this is scrambled eggs with spinach, onions, and cheese in there. Alright guys, it's much later in the day now. Well, what did I say, 52? I got out the shower, did my hair, did half of my face since I'm gonna have on a mask so you won't see the bottom portion. So it looks like it's warm outside, but it's probably not. So I'm gonna grab my shoes on, head out the door, walk over to my car, and then we're gonna go to either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Low-key kind of need to go to Target too a little bit. I don't need to, but I want to. So yeah, we're gonna go shopping today. A little OOTD action. Super baggy jacket. I need to stop wearing this, honestly. It's just so easy to grab and put on. Little cute blondie tee. Some Adidas. And you already seen the hair and the half meat face. It's gorgeous outside. Oh shit, I'm parked over there. So guys, I just got out of Marshall's. I found some cute stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff back here in the back seat, but that store was so crowded I didn't even want to be in there for that long. And then my mom ended up calling me because she wanted to hang out today. I was planning on going to her house anyway, but she wants to hang out today, so I'm about to actually go drive over there and pick her up. And then we're gonna go look at furniture, because I told you guys earlier, I think I had to cancel my furniture order with this other company because I ordered furniture back in freaking October and it's now March and I still have not got my order. So I canceled the order with them and I'm gonna go look at a few other places with my mom today. And then I think we're gonna go back to her house, and I'm pretty sure she's cooking dinner, but I'm not 100% certain. So we'll see. So y'all, I'm in Target with my mom. She's sitting down on her phone. We're just looking around really. We went to Old Brick to see if we can find cute couches, but I don't like any couches. I feel like they look mad old. So we're gonna go over to Christmas tree shops and see what we can find over there. So guys, I'm back home now. I feel like I didn't get the things I initially set out to get because I was with my mom and she low-key distracted me a little bit. But it's much later in the day. It is now 6:05. So it's time to eat, but I do want to show you guys a few things that I did get. So the other day I low-key had like a freak accident and broke my freaking olive oil base. There was freaking glass everywhere and olive oil everywhere, so I went and brought another one of these. What was that oil on it? And this was only $3, $4. And this was, all of this stuff was from Marshalls except for 2 items. And I got 2 of these vases for flowers. 2 big ones. And then I picked up some new tweezers and eyebrow razors. I couldn't decide between these 2, so I got them both. Purple, white, and then here, just little mini ones. And then I got some body oil. It's called Measurable Difference Vitamin E Oil. instant face and body moisturizer. This is only $5. Then for my stand out there, I got some cute stuff to put on top of it, like this on my sign, Strapped Gang. It's so cute. I was like, oh, I could put like single plants in there. That's probably not actually, but this is just cute to be on there. And then I brought this, another box, this box, and it says, "Darling, let's be adventurous." And I think this one was like $6 if I'm not mistaken. And then the last thing I got from Marshalls was a rolling pin. No, I did need this, so I definitely don't have one. But I literally only picked this one because it was pink. Ain't it cute? And this was honestly for a little bake shop thing, $7. That's very cute, right? Pink. So then I got 2 couch pillows from Target. Let me show you. They're freaking huge. I'm so excited about these. So naturally, I did not get a chair for that corner. I saw a couple that I liked, but they weren't like exactly what I'm looking for. And then my mom and I also went to Old Brick Furniture Warehouse, I think it was called. And we also went to Christmas tree shops, and I didn't really see anything in there that I really like. So those places were dubs. So I think tonight I'm gonna just chill out and decorate the shelf up a little bit. I don't really have plans tomorrow, just because Mondays are normally my editing days. So you guys probably won't see me again until next weekend. But if something exciting pops up, I'll be sure to include it in this vlog too.